Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. Yes, for those stopping by for the very first time, guys, you are really welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Yes, be part of Sar family. In this channel, we talk about skincare and a lot more. Yes, so this channel, you'll benefit from it. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a body better that can clear dark spot and also sunburn. Hyperpigmentation, you are way to go with this body better. You can use it on your face at the same time on your body, and it will brighten up your skin tone. So guys, first get shea butter. Yes, you are going to get shea butter. Shea butter moisturize the skin. It hydrates the skin very well, and also it heals the skin. So for shea butter, it is very good, and you can use shea butter on your face at the same time your body. So this recipe, we are going to use it on our body and at the same time our face. So guys, get 200 ml of your shea butter. Get a clean sanitized bowl. Then you scoop the 200 ml of your shea butter into the bowl. After getting it, please make sure to mix it up. Yes, stir it up. Stir it very well. Shea butter is not all that hard, so you can mix it up. After mixing it, then you add in 1 bottle of your Zero Spot. This one is a concentrated serum, and it comes in two. We have the egg one and we have the carrot one, so you can get any of it. Guys, please, depending on your own skin type, get one of it, either to get the carrot or to get the egg yolk. That one, anything works. So guys, you are going to get 1 bottle. It's 60 ml. Yes, the bottle is not all that big. It's 60 ml. Then you pour it inside the shea butter that you have mixed, and you mix it up again. Pour it inside it. Okay guys, pour the Zero Spot into your shea butter again. Pour it up. If you want to clear your sunburn, hyperpigmentation, dark spot, this recipe, you can use it in the morning, at the same time at night. So guys, then you add in your carrot oil. Yes, carrot oil is very good. It glows the skin, but not for all skin type. So if your skin is good with carrot oil, this recipe is for you. Yes, get 40 ml of your carrot oil. 40 ml of your carrot oil. Then you add to this production, you add to the shea butter and the Zero Spot. Add it and mix it again. Add it and mix it again. Guys, this recipe, you come back and give me a testimony. It will clear your dark spot. It will clear your sunburn. It will clear your hyperpigmentation. Then you get your palm oil. Yes, palm oil is very good. It clears redness. It clears sunburn. Gradually, it will clear it out. Then you add your palm oil, 10 ml. Add 10 ml of your palm oil. 10 ml of your palm oil. Someone is there thinking that, why palm oil? Guys, trust me, I am giving you a unique recipe. So please do it and bring me your testimony. Then you add in your coconut oil. Coconut oil also heals the skin. So coconut oil, we are going to add in 20 ml. Coconut oil is very good. It is very good for those with chocolate tone. Coconut oil, yes, it works perfectly. Please, coconut oil comes into, we have the normal one and we have the whitening one. Any of it can work for you. Yes guys, any of it can work for you. So those who want to be lighter a little bit, please get the whitening one. Yes, I've shown all the pictures here. Get the whitening one. And those who want the normal, those who are in their chocolate tone, you can get the normal coconut oil. It works perfectly. Yes, this coconut oil, the whitening one, it moisturizes the skin. One of the reasons why I love it is it moisturizes the skin. If you cannot get it, please, you can also chat us up. We get it for you. Yes, we sell all the things that we are mentioning, so you can get it from us. Then you add in your miracle powder. Miracle powder work very well because the name even say it all. Get your miracle powder, add in a pinch of it, then you are way to go. Mix all together. That's your body better. Use it on your face, at the same time on your body. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Remember, I love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.